What?
There.
What is that?
This is a gibbon moon. There.
Let me see.
There.
Where?
There.
Oh! Oh yeah. What moon is that?
This is a gibbon moon.
Gibbous moon. Let me zoom in. Wait, let me see. Yes, good job.
This way is called a moon. Let's sing Crescent Moon.
But what kind of gibbous moon is that? Can you tell mommy?
Oh.
What kind of gibbous moon is that? What kind of gibbous moon is that?
It's dirty.
Hey, can you tell mommy what kind of gibbous moon is that?
It's a gibbous moon.
Yeah, that's a gibbous moon. What kind of gibbous moon is that? Is it a waning or a waxing gibbous moon? What kind of gibbous moon is that?
Oh, it's dirty.
Hey, what kind of gibbous moon is that? Can you tell mommy? Can you tell mommy what kind of gibbous moon is that?
Oh, it's dirty.
What kind of gibbous moon is that? Can you tell mommy?
Ready.
Can you tell mommy what kind of gibbous moon?
Yay, ready.
Hey, what kind of gibbous moon? Is it a waning or a waxing gibbous moon? Can you tell mommy? Hey, can you tell mommy? Hey honey, can you tell mommy? Is it a waxing or a waning gibbous moon?
And the morning gibbous moon.
Good job, that's a waning gibbous moon.